Hello and welcome to our latest startup cover video. My name is Tim and I'm really looking forward to showing you all today how you can get your startup insurance quoted, paid and bound all within 5 minutes. We're super excited to share this with you today. I'm just scrolling through the homepage now, but the main page we want to focus on today is our purchase now / get a quote page, which I've headed to now. So I'm just going to provide a quick step-by-step process on how you can get your insurances bound all within 5 minutes. So starting off here, we just provide a bit of information about our startups. So we enter information about what type of startup we are, what region we fall in, what our turnover is, what we do, etc. The cool thing about this page is that once you enter in your levels of cover, we get a preliminary quote, which is really quick, considering we're only about a minute into the process. This premium isn't final. It can certainly change as we go along, but it's good to have an early understanding on what pricing might be looking at, depending on what information we input. So I'm just putting in some test information for this example, just to show you all today how the experience works from start to finish. So I'll just enter in an email address and a phone number. So we'll just put that in now. And we'll then go to the next page, which is insured details. So this is just where we enter in a bit more information about our startups. So for this example, as I said, we'll just do a demonstration one just for example purposes, and we'll just go through it nice and quickly just to show you all how it works. So I'll just put in our startup cover address here, so 555 Burke Street, Melbourne, Victoria, just for this purpose now. So we just enter that in now. We enter in what date our startup was established. And as we're going along, as you'll see on the right-hand side, our premium will adjust depending on what information we put in, which is really cool. It's a real interactive experience. So I'll go to next, and we just need to provide a little bit more information for what insurers need to know, basically. They need to know what size our startups are. They need to know information such as what industry we fall in. And they're also going to want to know what current risk management practices we've got in place, along with any other little intricate details they need to know. As we know with insurance, insurers need to know what type of risk they're taking on. So that's why it's just important we provide this information up front, which also impacts what our premium is. So we'll just go through and select them now and go next. And we're up to the second last page. So this is our disclosure page, and this is where we enter in information about any history of our startup. So if we have any claims, losses, any circumstances, any past history that insurers need to be made aware of. So we just go through here and declare any of that and agree to the terms and conditions and go next. And from that point, it's the fun part. We get to pay. So here we enter in, we can do our credit card details or send an invoice, and then we're done. Now, one important thing I will mention is that once this is all done and finalized, yes, this was a 5-minute experience all online, nice, quick and easy, but we do get the opportunity to speak to an insurance broker from our startup cover team afterwards, which is a really important thing in case we're going through it and there's something we're not quite sure about, or something wasn't quite fit for purpose. So talking all that through with your insurance broker will be incredibly important for you to finalize it and get along with your business. So we hope you enjoyed our video today, and we'd love to hear any feedback you've got. But until next time, have a great day. Thanks.